Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys have had a fabulous weekend and ready for a cracking week. I love how you see the light shine through the window. Love that. Sorry, today we are going to be making some clusters or paper embellishment you can use for your junk journals or your card making or any papercraft project. We're going to use some Tim Holtz ephemera pack because I want to use them. Simple as. Right guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today we're going to making some little clusters, embellishments, tags, thingy, call them as you guys pleased. So in this video we made these gigantic paper buttons. I will put, in case you guys missed it, I will link the video down below. And in that video you asked me, you know, I said to the video, if you want me to do another video showing how to use them, give me a shout and I'll do it. So I thought, yes, a few of you have I've asked her to do it, so there you go. You ask and I do. No, in all seriousness, these little coins, because I call them coins because they're kind of like coins, buttons. I love making this. They're so addictive. You can either like that little craft fairs ideas, like to sell them as a little pack. If you do like ATC artist trading cards, you can incorporate some of these in your little packs if you sell them, or if you collect them. You can do a series of those, completely up to you guys. So today I thought, let's make some embellishment. As you guys know, if you watch my videos religiously, no, I know a lot of you do, this one is my #1 favorite die. Okay, so if you say, what's Antonio's favorite die? Ta-da, it's this one. And this is, and I make myself a note for one so I don't forget, it's the beautiful Promenade from Stampin' Up, and then it comes as a stamp set and a die. This is not a current product. I have this for years and years and years and years. Double check on eBay if you guys want to purchase it, because I found mine on eBay. This is where Sizzix still were making the Stampin' Up dies. Now I'm not sure if it's still the case. I'm not sure if Sizzix still makes Stampin' Up dies. I know a lot of products from Stampin' Up are made in China, made in the Far East. I know a lot of products are made in USA, but I generally don't know. So I have these, and you can tell the quality of this die because it's fabulous. So what I did, I gone ahead and die cut some of these embellishment. I use this in 950 videos. I love making these collages embellishment because it's a sort of project that you just need to sit down, use up your scrap and go with the flow. You don't have to think about anything. So what I'm using today is, I feel like a recipe. So for today's recipe, you need 200 grams, or actually doing ounces, 5 ounces of paper buttons. You also need 5 ounces of playing cards. I have made this one there using literally cutting that. Oh, in fact, I didn't show you what I made so far. So far I made this one here, this one here. I have used, of course, the Tim Holtz dolls, some Tim Holtz tickets, and a very overpriced Tim Holtz ephemera, which I am very pleased because I think it was a few years ago, yeah, during COVID, I wanted to try the Tim Holtz ephemera pack. It's like a little plastic bag full of ephemera. They were like something really pricey, like $19.99 or $14.99. Either of $14.99 is a silly price because the ephemera, they are, I must admit, they are printed on a slightly thicker cardstock, but the quality of the cut is diabolical. You can either probably tell in there, they're not even die cut properly. When you charge me for a bag of probably like 30 little ephemeras, same size as my nail, and you charge me $14.99. No. You got to give me some quality, man. So yeah, definitely I won't be buying them again. But I bought some the Tim Holtz paper dolls, which I like them, I must admit. It's not something that I used to use a lot. I used to be very addictive, and because I want to use them up, because guys, we got to use what we have. I decided to use them in today's project, so I keep them in like a DVD case, and I labeled them so I know exactly what it is, and also have the Tim Holtz tickets. They come in a little block that you just need to tear away, and yeah, I just throw them in there. So I'm very pleased because I only got this ephemera left, and I definitely won't buy them again. So what I simply did, guys, is just a collage. Simple as collage. Put things together and go with the flow. There's no rules. You literally do what you want, and that's the beauty of crafting. There are no rules. I just simply layer them together. So let me put these aside. So yeah, so let's put them together. So the starting point is always this. I don't know why I keep doing the same thing. I know you guys probably sick and tired of seeing me doing it, but no, I love them. I think we're going to use this one now. Yeah, it's a sort of project you could do when you're listening to music or watching a TV, or I don't know, listen to podcast when you're waiting for the washing machine to finish. It's sort of project that, again, you don't have to think, that just go with the flow and just do it. So what I did, I have used my, oopsie daisy, I lost the butterfly. You also need 5 ounces of pussycat butterflies. They are from my, if I can reach them, they are my pussycat digital papers. So I have printed like loads of pages because it's something that I use all the time. So this kit is full of, guess what, yes, pussycat butterflies. You get all different size and colors. Yeah, it's something that, again, I keep printing all the time because I use them and I love butterflies. I am obsessed, hence why my logo is a butterfly in it, because I'm obsessed. So what I literally done, like pussycat butterfly, stick the Tim Holtz paper doll. Now, because there is a butterfly in there, I'll probably keep them separate like that. And I also want to use up some of this ephemera. I'm picking this color because it actually goes with the background color, so it'll be greenish, so it's all blend together. And I'm definitely going to use this ticket as well. Just gonna cut that one there, so probably put that on top. Yes, so let's do that. Yeah, it's just simply like a gluing exercise. Nothing major, nothing, you know, over sophisticated, nothing that you've got to think about it. That's why I like it. And you know, if you've got paper scraps, little bits and pieces, yeah, these projects are perfect for that, because you're just literally putting things together. So, do you know, sometime I have used this in the past, that a few of my friends, they love vintage like I do, of course. So I have used this on top of a gift box. I just stamp and cut their name, or you can put happy birthday and you put this on top of a gift box with some present. And I think that's a little touch, that's a little something nice, that if you know that your friend love vintagey looking things, yeah, why not? I want to use, which one should we use? Should we use this one now? This mini playing card. I have got these from Poland, which, if you're watching outside the UK, it's like a Dollar Tree, I guess you guys go in America. Like it's a shop where everything is £1 or $1. Well, not anymore, because in this shop it's called Poundland, but not before. Everything used to be £1, not anymore. with the cost of living, things are not £1 anymore, but there are a few products that are £1, like cleaning product, but a lot of things have gone up in prices. So what you can do as well, you can use lace. I've got this lace, and again, it's something that I want to use up. So I'm being naughty, I'm using my best scissors for paper to cut the ribbon, ribbon. Don't do that, don't look at me. Don't listen to what I do, don't look for, yeah, probably gonna do that. And then I'm using this, like, it's an old Stampin' Up grid paper. I use it when I glue, so my desk don't get spoiled, damaged. I need something else in there. Should we give the king a little butterfly? I'm not sure if I'm happy with the color. Oh yeah, that's better, because there is a bit of red in there, but also it's not too overpowering. So I probably rotate the butterfly a little more, like that. And then I will probably use, should we use one of the tickets as well? Because I want some print, like, yeah, I think that's, chop that and chop that. Yeah, there. I'm hoping I'm in shot. Yeah, I should be. So what I've done as well, when I printed these butterflies, some of them I print them on copy paper, just literally like simple paper. Some of them I print them on thicker cardstock. So for example, when I did this one here, the butterfly is on a thicker cardstock. So if I use that somewhere that it glues on, it's not flimsy. This one is actually on paper. So just to give you some ideas. Oh yeah, on top. Let's put that on top of the king. You can either do like a series, like if you love mixed media and you do a full deck challenge, you can make this embellishment with each card. Something that we could probably do together if you guys are interested. We can start from the ace and work our way up, and maybe do each embellishment with a card. Is something that you guys want me to do? I don't know. I don't want to do series that you guys might not enjoy. You tell me. In fact, I've got an idea. I'm going to use a little bit of ribbon again. Maybe here. Yeah. Yes. So we break. Yes. And then we put this on top. There. I might trim. No, Antonio, don't use that scissor. Use your other scissors. Where are they? Where are they? I can't find. Oh, there it is. In front of me. These are my poo-poo scissors. And that's the reason why there's all sorts. I need to clean them, really. How do you clean your scissors? With just rubbing alcohol. Simple as. Okay, so that's done. The cake is baked. So I gave you the ingredients. Yeah, I love this sort of projects, guys. Sorry if I repeat myself, but it's nice because you don't have to think about anything. You just glue them and put it all together. And I'll zoom in so you guys can see them a bit better. So we made this together, Ooh. And then this is what I've done previously. This is quite simple, but I quite like it. Very, very simple. Just got a pepper button on the back. And that's it. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let's pick. I quite like the simplicity of this, but I like the color scheme of this one. So I like them both for two different reasons. Less is more is more. So you pick. Okay guys, I hope you like this little simple project. Again, I gave you the ingredients, super simple and easy. Today the shout out goes to the lovely Catherine. And Catherine was, and I'll put Catherine's comment on the screen now. Catherine said that my tutorial, my instructions are very easy and clear and easy to follow. So yeah, thank you, Catherine. I'm glad that you said that, because sometimes, because I waffle a lot and I talk a lot, because I can talk forever. Sometimes like I go around tangents and then I was like, oh, what I was talking about. Oh yes, going back on the desk. Yeah, I'm pleased. Thank you. Especially because English is not my first language. So when I explaining things, yeah, sometimes it's not easy for me to follow a thread. But yeah, I'm glad that instructions are clear. Thank you. And thank you so much to every single one of you for your continuous love and support. It means the world to me. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge big thumbs up. It really helps with the channel here on YouTube. Guys, I'm gonna put a couple of links here on the screen. So if you're watching from an iPhone or Android or an iPad, simply click on the screen. That will take you straight to the video. So the first video is a mixed media kind of like arty crafty project where we hand painted some feathers. It created more embellishments like similar to what we made today. And the second videos, on that video I show you how to play with some stencil, silk screen to create some super fun background. Then again, you can make clusters embellishment or even card or junk journal pages. So I will put both of the links here on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a wonderful start to the week, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.